Hi there! Let's learn the final E together in this class. Make your mouth flat. There is a little bit small gap between the upper and lower teeth. Meanwhile, keep your lips to the maximum on both sides to make the shape of smiling.
E.
Let's try some of the words with the final E. 衣服铅笔 That's all for the final E. Let's learn the final U. Round your mouth and stick out your lips. Attention! The opening degree is smaller than O. U. Where U becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as U with the same pronunciation.
U.
Let's try some of the words with the final U. 跳舞树木 That's all for the final U. Let's learn the final U together. When you pronounce the final U, say it first, then slowly round your lips. When U becomes a syllable by itself, it should be written as U with the same pronunciation.
U.
Let's try some of the words with the final U. 绿色钓鱼 That's all for the final U.